Donald Trump knows very well that there is no white Afrikaner who's being killed in South Africa. It's a lie. Even if they come and kill us, it will remain a lie because no one is being killed in South Africa. The white killings I've seen is white people killing each other, partners, for inheritance. There is no black people who are killing white people as a political statement that we are now going to kill whites. There is no organization that represented that. The threat came from the FNB Stadium. When they saw EFF 10th anniversary, they started shaking, started working on a plan on how are we going to kill the EFF. They wanted to kill it on the 29th of May. Money came out after those rallies. Everything. Songa Zivi, he gets formed today. The following day, he's got money to send SMSs. Don't vote EFF. He has no reason why. He was formed to come and stop the EFF. All of them, they get money from white capital which wants to kill the EFF. If you are destroying a branch of the EFF during the launch, you are working with Songezo Zibi, you are working with the Ruperts, you are working with white monopoly capital to destroy our organization, the organization of the poor, of the poorest. Student debt can't be cancelled if there is no EFF. Our children will not get enough money if there is no EFF. Gogos will continue to pay for water and electricity if there is no EFF. So do not destroy the branches of the EFF. Build the EFF, because when you build the EFF, you are defending the future, and that future belongs to your children. We don't care about ourselves now. We are marching now so that our children cannot march next year because we have done the job for them. We want our children to inherit a functional country. Country ibodile. There is no department that functions well. There is no municipality that functions well. There is a municipality here called Madibeng. Kisakasi in and out. This nonsense is going to be stopped next year when you vote for an EFF candidate to come and represent the poor of the poorest. And in the EFF, when opportunities to Tamaya, who divided the branch unana Rutova Cancelar. In the EFF, there are no PR lists. There are no PR candidates. There are ward candidates. And then the PR will come from the ward candidates on the basis of their performance. If they lose a ward, but they got the higher number, then they become number one on the PR list. Alesa to Jakabu PR, Rijaka or branch yawi a sevet na. A branch yawi sa sevet. Auna regional chairperson at outsenya. Arena di region. Renalidi sub-regional di branch. Sub-regions must supervise branches of Soshanguve, of Centurion. Branches starena. This one be functional branches. Arinyage motwa jiga mo aperi oversize or ake pinchega maroho. Arigena regional secretary. Secretary. So renyaka lower structures that are going to function. Build the EFF, it will look after you. Look the EFF taking care of you with 9%. Imagine if you put 0 next to that 9%. What will happen to this country? What will happen to this continent? We are the only one who can liberate black people. We are here to tell Treasury We are unemployed because of you. Our economy is not growing because of you. You have turned yourself into a powerful institution. There is no institution that can be more powerful than the people. The power is with the people. The power belongs to the people, and we demand the people's budget. If it is not for the people, we don't want it. We want this treasury to get out of IMF and generate money, not money to be spent on servicing the debt, but money that is going to serve the ordinary people on the ground. Fighters, we are continuing the fight on Wednesday. If that budget is not what you want, then they should know there's going to be a fight in that parliament. We are not in parliament to nurse egos, to ask for favors, to be liked. We don't want positions in government. As long as we have a platform to speak for our people, we'll continue to speak for them. Whether they vote for us or not, we will fight for them because we love black people.